In this video, we have come up with the 5 reasons behind the U1041 error code and their solutions. So, watch this video till the end, you will get the idea. Welcome to Vehicles Bro. Reason number 1. A bad connection in the harness. When you see the U1041 error code, you will get the check engine light. To solve this issue, you need to clean the connectors to the body control module and the engine control module. Reason number 2. Wires going into the connector are worn out. You will see the truck will not start. This issue can happen if the wires that go into the connector are worn out. In this case, you can try to push and wiggle the black and red wires pretty hard into the connector. Reason number 3. A blown-up fuse in the driver's door panel. For this reason, you will see the ABS light coming on. In this case, replace the blown-up fuse in the driver's door panel. Reason number 4. Bad grounds on Ebcm. You will see the brake lights coming on occasionally after you get this code. To solve this issue, you have to clean the electronic brake control module ground location. We are hopeful that you can now easily fix the U1041 error code after watching the video.